Today, my mom will be showing you how to do banana chips at home. To begin with, you will require raw bananas. First, you need to peel the raw banana just like this, and then you need to keep it in water so that it does not turn brown. Once the oil is hot, you need to slice the bananas directly into the oil, just like this. And then you need to sprinkle some salt water on top of it, and then let it fry. Now your banana chips is finally done. Then you can transfer the chips into any container. See that you keep the chips in an airtight container so that it does not turn soft. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video.